The Type S T200 dashcam offers a complete front and rear coverage with its 2160-pixel front camera and optional 1080-pixel rear camera, ensuring your vehicle's safety from every angle. Integrated with an intelligent blind spot warning system, this dashcam actively alerts drivers about the presence of vehicles in hard-to-see areas, enhancing overall road safety. The advanced driver assistance system provides front and rear collision warnings, allowing drivers to respond quickly to potential hazards, thus preventing accidents. With its lane departure warning feature, the Type S T200 dashcam uses artificial intelligence to monitor your vehicle's position, alerting you of any unintended lane deviations. Equipped with pedestrian detection technology, this dashcam identifies pedestrians in your path day or night, offering an added layer of protection. The built-in G-sensor ensures that crucial video footage is saved and protected, especially during accidents, while the parking surveillance feature secures your vehicle with 24-hour monitoring.